So this is a quick review of the Trilite Buggy by Axglo. Thought I'd make this video just as a, when I wanted to buy this, I couldn't really find anything online sort of showing this buggy off much. So just for those other people who are sort of in the same boat as me, who are only seeing the written reviews from customers and not seeing anything video-like, might find this handy. So first, comes packed up like this in the box. Setting up's pretty simple. There's a little release latch here, and then one at the back here. Once that's they're undone, just a fold one. You don't have to lock this one, but I like to lock this one here. Put your foot on the pedal, on the little foot stand, fold it up, but done. Lock it off. Done. Easy as that. So a quick rundown of a few of the features of this Trilite buggy. It comes in at about 5.5 kilos. You saw it before folded up, so it's not too hard to get in and out of the car before and after the game. Uses these elastic straps to mount your bag. I'll give you a quick rundown of that soon with the bag in there. It's made of an aircraft grade aluminium, so it's, as I said, 5.5 kilos, pretty light. Axglo claim that these tyres or wheels are maintenance free. As you can see, they're like made of a foam, really hard, dense foam. So you won't be getting any flat tyres, but you might pick up a few prickles and things and bendy eyes off the tyres. The back right-hand tyre locks from this lever here. So right now it's locked, but flick it up and you're good to go. Flick it back down and it's locked back into place. It won't roll away on the course on you. This compartment here, it's pretty deep, as you can see. It does collapse for when you fold the buggy up, but you can see it holds quite a bit. Like golf, you get a few golf balls and gloves and scorecards and whatever you like in there. A couple of cheeky tea holders and somewhere to put your pencil. It does come with this in the box. You have to mount that yourself. This clips in for your Pringles cans. I guess you could probably put a drink bottle there if you liked. I'll leave that to you. I'll show you the buggy with the bag mounted into it. So I've just mounted my stand bag in the buggy. I know it's a stand bag so you can carry it and whatever, but for all intensive purposes, I'm sure this is fine. So this part back here where the straps connect up, they fold out. You can fold them back to try to lock it in tighter, but my bag's pretty big. Hey Duke, you can probably hear him in the background walking around. He's excited about the new buggy. The straps just, bring them around and clip in. As you can see, it's a bit hard to do one-handed. We'll get back to that. And then, one on the bottom as well. And from playing around with it, it's pretty sturdy. I'm pretty happy with that. I don't foresee that coming out. And there you go. That's the Trilite buggy by Axglo. Duke, sit. Good boy. So to round things up, I'm really happy with this buggy. I haven't been able to take it out on the course yet because of the whole COVID-19 thing, and we're all in isolation and all the golf courses are shut, but I'm really looking forward to giving it a go. Duke obviously loves it as well. I was really tentative about buying this. I've never owned a buggy before. I've always just carried my bag, but I thought, I want to go play a bit more golf and make it a bit easier on myself. So I thought I'd invest in a buggy. But all in all, I'm pretty chuffed with this. I think anyone anyone who bought this would be happy with it. I'd love to show it out on the course, but just can't at the moment. Setting it up was pretty easy. You know, putting it like back down and folding it up is really easy as well. Just do the reverse. You can adjust the height of this as well, I forgot to mention that, up and down, just by letting that latch off a little bit. But same deal if you want to fold it up, just all you gotta do is undo the two latches, put your foot on the thing, fold it up, and then tighten your latches again, throw in the car. Happy days. Hope this video is helpful. Yeah, because as I mentioned before, I couldn't really find anything in depth about this buggy, and I like to sort of do a little bit of research before making an investment in things like this. So hopefully this can help you decide whether you like this buggy or not. Personally, I think it's good. Yeah, good luck.